Over the past several videos, we've built a complete picture of your immune system, from the castle walls of your innate defense to the elite special forces of your adaptive immunity. We've explored what weakens it, like chronic stress, what confuses it, like autoimmune disease, what trains it, like vaccines, and what inevitably changes it, like aging. But throughout this entire journey, one question has quietly lingered beneath the surface. What connects your mind to all of this? How can a thought, an emotion, or a belief actually translate into a biological change in your body? Today, we're crossing a bridge we've only hinted at until now: the mind-body connection. This is the story of how your thoughts can make you sick, and just as importantly, how they can help you heal. For centuries, we treated the mind and body as separate entities. Your thoughts lived in a mysterious mind castle, and your body was a biological machine down the hill. But what if a bridge connects them? And what if the traffic on that bridge determines your health? Welcome to the Health Sketchpad. I'm Dr. AB, and today we're mapping the most powerful system in medicine: the mind-body bridge. The proof of this bridge isn't new. Consider the placebo effect, where a sugar pill can relieve real pain if the patient believes it's medicine. Its sinister twin is the nocebo effect, where the fear of a side effect can actually cause it. These aren't all in your head. They are powerful demonstrations of the mind's direct line to physical systems. Let's zoom in. The main pathway is the HPA axis: hypothalamus, pituitary, adrenals. When you have a stressful thought, like worry about a deadline, your hypothalamus sounds the alarm. This triggers a cascade ending with cortisol flooding your body. This is the fight or flight traffic on your bridge. Good for short-term threats, destructive in a traffic jam. Here's where sickness can begin. Chronic stress traffic means chronically high cortisol. Over time, this doesn't calm inflammation, it fuels it. This low-grade aging is linked to heart disease, diabetes, and a weakened immune system. Your worried thoughts are literally signaling your body to stay in a state of emergency repair. But the bridge has two-way traffic. Your body also sends signals up to your brain, primarily via the vagus nerve. This is your rest and digest pathway. Deep breathing, meditation, and safety signals activate it, sending a message to the brain: stand down, all is well. This reduces inflammation and promotes healing. Ever had a gut feeling? That's literal. Your gut has its own nervous system and is in constant conversation with your brain via the bridge. Anxiety can cause diarrhea or nausea. Conversely, an unhealthy gut can send distress signals that worsen anxiety or depression. Treating one often helps the other. Your immune cells have receptors for neurotransmitters. They listen to your emotional state. Studies show that loneliness and chronic stress can dampen your immune response, while social connection and purpose can strengthen it. Your white blood cells are literally eavesdropping on your thoughts. The good news: you can become the bridge's traffic controller. Therapies like CBT help you identify thought potholes, like catastrophic thinking, and reroute that traffic, changing the narrative from "I can't handle this" to "this is tough, but I have tools." Changes the biochemical signals you send. You don't need a therapist to start. Deep, slow breathing directly stimulates the calming vagus nerve. Regular movement burns off stress hormones and generates feel-good endorphins. and nurturing relationships build resilience. These aren't just feel-good tips, they're bridge maintenance. So, let's rebuild the map. Your thoughts trigger biological cascades via the HPA axis and vagus nerve, influencing inflammation, immunity, and gut health. But you hold the traffic controller's manual. By tending to your mind with compassion and evidence-based tools, you aren't just thinking better, you're building a body that's fundamentally harder to make sick and easier to make well. Your mind is not a passive spectator to your health. It's an active architect. If this new perspective empowers you, share this video. Subscribe to the Health Sketchpad as we continue to draw clearer maps for your health. Your journey to wholeness starts with a single, kinder thought.